Martha Stewart was in mourning after her 4 dogs tragically killed her defenseless cat whom they mistook for an intruder. Burying the beautiful and unusual Princess Peony, Stewart wrote in a post to Instagram on Sunday. The 4 dogs mistook her for an interloper and killed her defenseless little self. She added, "I will miss her very badly. R.I.P. Beauty." Stewart, 80, shared a photo of Princess Peony's burial where 3 men were seen digging a hole in her yard. She also shared a close-up shot of the late ball of fur lounging on a fluffy rug, captioning the post, "This was the Princess Peony." Interestingly, Stewart posted about her cats fearing the 4 dogs back in 2021. "My cats feel liberated because the 4 dogs are away on vacation. Leaving the cats alone in the house to roam, relax, recover." She captioned the photo of her fluffy cats, one of whom looked like Princess Peony, last August. Several of Stewart's famous friends and fans flooded the comments section to send their regards. "So sorry, heart," Ellen Pompeo commented on the post. Kris Jenner chimed in with 3 teary-eyed emoticons. Martha, I'm so sorry. R.I.P. Princess Peony. You were so loved." Growing heart, praying gesture, a fan wrote. Crying face, so sorry Martha. Sending comfort and hugs your way, 2 hearts, another added. "What a beautiful girl she was. I'm so very sorry. Rest peacefully, sweet girl," one more said. The Martha Stewart living founder is known for her love of animals. She hosted the Puppy Bowl in February and consistently posts about her 2 French bulldogs, Creme Brulee and Bête Noire. She also has a passion for horses and owns other cats. It's unclear how many pets Stewart has, though it's clear Princess Peony will be missed. A spokesperson for Stewart did not immediately respond to Page 6's request for comment.